Very good morning, students. Right? So, history, 11th standard history. Right? So, welcome back. You have seen the introduction. Now, in the section number 1, right? Early societies. Now, first of all, you should not be scared of the history. Right? History is very interesting subject. Whatever has been passed, any written documents or written informations, nowadays we have so many latest, all the things are available, right? But in the earlier days these things were not available. Now you see, when you talk of the history is divided into three parts or three types, right? Ancient, very old; medieval, which was in the middle; and modern. Okay, now what is going on here? So we will give you the notes and I will explain you one by one and again the all the things which is related to you. Now do not forget, you have to study slowly related to things, right? I just want to inform you here, you must know the map. Two maps you will see, very important. One is the map of Africa, right? Another map you must know about Europe for this particular lesson, right? So you will understand the history. Now I want to start. It has two themes. The topic is early society, which has two themes. In the A theme, this is beginning of human existence, right? How we exist, what we are called. We are known as Homo sapiens, right? Human beings are called Homo sapiens. You may have heard or you may have written all these things in the biology. Now, when we talk of the history, this is millions of years ago, this human existence take place. And you have to find it out, it took place in Africa. But which country? When you go with the book, this is the book for you, it is given. It is given. So, I just want to know in which country did it start it, right? So that's why the map is very important when you're talking of the Africa. Now here you are going to see how the people in Africa during that time, billions of years ago, their existence takes, how they were staying, that is the shelter. Then what type of food they were eating. Now do not forget the food. Now what the food you are using or microwave using, that type of foods were, these were all the raw foods. But how they were cooking, what variety they were eating, all the things you know. And this is related to the hunting animals. What type of animals they were killing. And do not forget, they were taking the animal skins also. They were fire, they used to do the fire and other things over there. So many things were there, including the language, what type of they used to speak, and the climate. How was the climate? Was it? It was very hot. Was it? It was very cold. What type of climate they were using? Now, please do not forget. When you are going to see further, you will see further there are different terms are used, like archaeologist or archaeology, right? Anthropologist, and this is a very new term, ethnography, not economist, ethnography. So this is the term, you must find it out as a homework. Find it out as a homework, archaeologist, anthropologist, ethnography. Now, when you go with the second part, it says about the earlier cities. It says about the earlier cities. Now, in the earlier cities, this is a very famous name which is given as Iraq, Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia. Now, please understand, you need to find out, like India used to be known as Bharat, right? Hindustan. There are many countries, like Ceylon. Ceylon was Sri Lanka. So there are many names will be coming to you. So when we talking, there were abundance of written materials are given in this, right? Like craft people, what type of things they used to find it out, what they were able to do it over there. So they were used to find abundance number of written materials were found in Iraq, right? Now, do not forget there was a great leader from the Iraq, Saddam Hussein, right? So, we are talking of here craft people, what they used to make. There were a lot of temples we have found, right? What type of labor or how the labor were made, who were the priests, who were the king, who were the queens. When you read all this, it will be very interesting. So the people now, we don't have houses during those days over there. There were caves, there were forests. Laborers were made to do, not giving the money, right? But they will be giving some sort of things which have to be compensated with that, right? Now, I want to make you very much clear, followed by the notes. You have a glance on this board and try to find out the words, right? Apart from these words, I am going to tell you the other words also. Till that time I come. Thank you very much.